We'll discuss. Uh, Yesterday, I think we were discussing square number and cube number. How to find any square number and any cube number. Today, what we'll see some method or some rules or some tricks like how to find a square root square root of different number, because these questions also frequently asked in all the competitive exams. ओके सिर्फ गेट के ही नहीं, दूसरे कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम पे भी ये पूछते हैं कि व्हाट विल बी द स्क्वायर रूट of numbers, or sometimes they'll ask some equation will be there which contains a square root value. So there you have to solve suppose you are finding any square root value, you have to find a value within a 10 second. It should not be a more than 10 second. That much quick you have to become. That helps for your placement aptitude test also. See what, no, here anyhow I'll be explaining 4 to 5 problems, but only 4 to 5 problems is not enough. So what you have to do, if you do a perfect at only one shot, like suppose now I have explained the 5 problems. On the base of that 5 problem, you try to solve some 30 to 40 problems, and keeping track of your timing. So once you become a perfect, so no need to repeat again and again, no need to open the concept also. So what I suggest, after my class and all, whenever you get time, you try to practice more problems. Then only this concept will go in your mind and it will stick remain. Or else after another 2-3 days you will again forget. Okay. So I suggest only thing, practice more problems, then only you can remember the things. Okay. So here we have solved in the previous classes cube of a number of 3 digit and 2 digit and single digit. Now today what we'll do, we'll see the square root of number. Okay, how to find the square roots. Okay, square roots of a number. Okay, of a number. Here, no, again this also contains different rules. Okay, this method also contains different rules, like how to find the square root. Like what, no, we divide again numbers. Okay, so we have to see, suppose they give any number like 23, they'll ask you to find the square root of this 23. Okay, so you should be in the mind, like you should remember first of all which is a perfect square and which is a non-perfect square. Okay, there's a two type comes, perfect square. Okay, perfect square number and non-perfect. Okay, see, in the perfect square, suppose now 4 is a perfect square, because if you take a square root of this, you'll get a exact number 2. Okay, so 4 is a perfect square. And if you take 16, so 16 is a perfect square. But if you take 8, if you take a 8, you won't get exact answer, you will get an answer in the decimal. Okay, so 8 is near to a square root of I think 4, so you will get an answer of some 4 point something. Okay, so like that, if you take a 15, square root of 15, so this is what now, it's a non-perfect. So you should be know, suppose if they ask here, you should be in the mind like, agar 36 का square root पूछ रहा है तो you'll get an exact number. So because 36 is a perfect square. But if they ask 37, root 37, you won't get a perfect answer. You will get an answer like 6 point something. Okay, 6 point something. So then it will become a 37 is what, then non-perfect. So whenever the non-perfect square is there, you won't get an exact square root value. Okay, if it's a perfect square, you'll get a exact square value, root value. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. And here, as I said in the starting, to find the square root of a number, we divide the digits. Okay, suppose how to find, we divide like how to find the square root of, how to find the square root of 2-digit number. Okay, लाइक 2 डिजिट नंबर मीन्स अभी 46 दिया है, इसका स्क्वायर रूट कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो दिस 46 इज व्हाट नाउ 2 डिजिट नंबर. सो दिस हैज अ वन सेट ऑफ रूल, क्योंकि हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी 2 डिजिट का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. एंड अगेन वी हैव अ सेट ऑफ रूल like if you are finding a square root of 3 digit number, okay, 3 digit number, and again we have set of rule for 4 digit number, again we have set of rule for 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit. Okay, imagine 7 digit means you should contain like this. Okay, then you have to find a square root of this value. So here as per I have seen the question paper and all, max they ask a 7 digit number, square root of 7 digit. Beyond that they have not asked. Don't worry of that. Beyond that 8 digit का square उन्होंने अभी तक नहीं पूछा है. I think they have asked in the CAT and MBA entrance and all, not for this normal state board competition or a gate thing and all. So here what I'll do, I'll give a tricks like or a method how to find the square root of 2 digit, how to find the square root of 3 digits, how to find out square root of 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so we'll see that one by one. And before starting that, and as I said in the first class only, you should remember minimum, देखो I have told you should remember square of minimum 1 to a 30 values, and also I said you should remember cube of 1 to 30, at least 1 to 30. Okay, if you say 30 both ho gaya sir, then you should remember at least 20. Okay, then only it will become easy to apply the tricks. नहीं तो क्या होता है, again you have to add one more trick to find these numbers. Okay, so you should be in that position like whenever we ask a square number of 1 to 20 digit, 20 number, you should be answer at any time. Okay, so here to find the square root of any number, I should know first 1 square का value क्या रहता है, 1 रहता है, and 2 square is what, 4, and 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, and 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. Okay, at least 1 to 10 आप ऐप में रखना चाहिए square का values. Okay, so 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and like that. Now what you have to do before going with the question type of this, you should observe the square values of 1 to a 10. So इसमें क्या हो रहा है, देखो one square value is having a only 1 digit. Okay, and if you are doing a 2 square का unit digit or answer, what it has, 4. Okay, and again 8 square का क्या है unit digit, 4 है. 8 square का digit क्या है, 4 है, क्योंकि वो 64 unit digit is 4, and 2 square unit digit is 4. And similarly if you do the 3 square, उसका digit क्या आया, 9 आया, 3 into 3 is 9. And same way if you do 7 square, 7 into 7, उसका unit digit क्या आया, 9 आया. Okay, now what, 2 and 8 का एक ग्रुप हो गया. Okay, then 3 and 7 का एक ग्रुप हो गया. Okay, 3 and 7 का एक ग्रुप होता है. Then what, 6, 4 into 4, 4 square क्या है, 16, so 6 is a unit digit, and 6 square is a 36, so again it contains a 6 is a unit. So here what, again 6 and 4 and 6 का एक ग्रुप होगा. And we forgot 1 भी एक यूनिट डिजिट है, 1 square, and 9 square का भी क्या है, यूनिट डिजिट 1 है. Then what happened, 1 and 9 is also one group, 1 and 9 is also one group. Then 5 का क्या है, 5 is a one group. So here Now what I am going to tell, those repeats, those units are repeating. If you do square of any 1, you'll get a unit digit 1. If you square of 9 square also, you'll get a digit 1. Okay. Okay. And if you do the 3 square, you'll get a unit digit 9. And if you do the 7 square, you'll get a same digit. So they are repeating in their unit digit. Which are those numbers? 2 and 8 has a unit digit. How much? 4. 2 and unit का 4 का unit digit. अगर 4 is a unit digit, उसका वैल्यू कितना रहता है? किसका यूनिट वैल्यू रहता है? वो 2 and 8 का रहता है. एंड इफ द यूनिट डिजिट इज 9, अगर स्क्वायर वैल्यू का 9 रहता है तो उसका वैल्यू क्या है? 3 and 7 रहता है. ओके, 3 and 7. यस. एंड इफ यूर स्क्वायर रूट कंटेन्स 4 and 6 मीन्स वो किसका रहता है? 4 and 6 मीन्स
6.
4 and 6 means is again 6 का रहता है. 6. Okay. Then 1 and 9 is the 1, and here it is a 5. So here I'm talking about, these are all what? Perfect squares. I'm talking about the values of perfect square. So here you should remember in such a way that अगर किसी का स्क्वायर रूट से नाउ 36, ओके, नाउ 36 का स्क्वायर रूट कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? द यूनिट कंटेन्स 6 मीन्स इट शुड बी आइदर 4 और इट शुड बी a 6. So I know directly, so I can say it is a 6. I say if it is a 1 to 1, इसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या कितना आएगा? इसका स्क्वायर रूट का यूनिट डिजिट आइदर कितना रहता है? 1 रहता है, नहीं तो 9 रहता है. बट आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली. सो स्क्वायर रूट अगर आप 121 का स्क्वायर रूट पता कर रहे हैं, उसका यूनिट डिजिट, सो इट कंटेन्स 2 वैल्यूज. ओके, से हियर आइदर इट मे बी 11 और आइदर इट मे बी 19. सो कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? यू शुड नो दीज थिंग. इफ द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 4, then the square root of value, it may be ending with 2 or 8, it may be 3 or 7, it may be 4, 6, 1, 7, like this. So remember these forever. Okay, एक कहाँ तक मुझे हेल्प होता है? You can find the 8 number also and 9 number also. You should remember, अगर मैं 7 डिजिट का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूँ, यूनिट में कितना आएगा आपको वैल्यू क्वेश्चन देखते ही समझ में आना चाहिए. ओके, सो यू कैन गेस लाइक इफ ऑप्शन कंटेन्स आइदर 2 or 8, then you will have to do the problem. If any one contains 2, उतना ही है ऑप्शन पे. So check the unit digit. एक 4 में एक डिजिट का यूनिट क्या है? 2 है. So you can directly click that question as that option as the answer. So for that you should remember यूनिट डिजिट पे क्या आता है एंड क्वेश्चन पे क्या आता है. इफ द क्वेश्चन कंटेन लाइक दिस, देयर यूनिट डिजिट मस्ट बी लाइक दिस, एंड इफ द यूनिट डिजिट लाइक दिस, देयर स्क्वायर मस्ट बी लाइक दिस. द वाइस वर्सा, स्क्वायर वैल्यू एंड द स्क्वायर रूट वैल्यू, स्क्वायर रूट वैल्यू एंड द स्क्वायर वैल्यू. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नाउ I'll move to the concept. First, no, what we'll do, we'll find a square of 2 digits. We'll find a square root of 2 digits. Square root of 2 digits. Square root of 2 digits. Okay. And एक पॉइंट याद में रखो, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 डिजिट्स मीन्स हमारा स्क्वायर वैल्यू कहाँ तक है? 2 डिजिट के स्क्वायर वैल्यू कहाँ तक है? 81. So 9. So if it is a square root of 2 digit means it should be a less than 100 only. So whatever they give a question, अगर उन्होंने कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन, they can ask 87, they can ask 99, but if it should contain only 2 digits. So only 2 digit means उसका स्क्वायर रूट का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? सिंगल डिजिट ही आया रहता है. ओके, सिंगल डिजिट ही रहता है. but आपको पता रहना है at least that simple thing that should be a less than 100 value only. So I'll tell now first question. What we'll do, no? These are already perfect squares. मुझे अभी 1 से 10 तक पता है. So what I'll do, we'll find the square root of non-perfect values or non-perfect squares. So I'll take a non-perfect squares and we'll try to find the square root of those things. For example, square root of 12. Okay, so it is little difficult to find the square root of 12 because you won't get an exact value, you'll get in a decimal. So for that, certain rule is there, we follow that rule. So what, I'll take one example now. We have to find the square root of 10. Okay, square root of 10. So now square root of 10 find out करने के लिए क्या करना है, ए टेबल को आप रेफर करना है. So 10 वैल्यू, 10 वैल्यू कहाँ आता है? So 10 is a what now? Square value. उसका square root find out करना है. If 10 is a square value, where it lies? So it maybe lies in between 9 to a 16. That 10 will be lies between 9 to a 16. But which is more nearest to a 10? 9 is a more nearest to a 10. So what I'll do, I'll consider first the nearest value, nearest square to 10 is what? 9. Okay, so what is the square root of 9 now? 3. So I'll take a 3 as a reference. Then what I'll do, so this 3 will be what now? My number B. Consider 3 as a B. Then do the subtract of 10 minus 3. Consider the given question minus square of nearest number. 10 के nearest square कितना है? 9 है. So उनमें से एक को subtract करो. So you'll get the answer as 1. So this take it as a A. And there is a rule. क्या करना है rule? If you are finding any non-perfect square का square root, the rule is A by 2 into B. A by 2 into B. So what is the A here? A by 2 into B. So here you have to add first N. So N is what? I'll tell that first. So what is the A here? 1. And what is the B here? 3. So here this will be a 1 by 6. 1 by 6 it is. So what is the answer of 1 by 6? And what you have to do? 0.16. Okay, 0.16. Then next step is add that 0.16 to the 3. This B number. So 3 plus 0.16. So this is your square root value. This is a square root of 10. इसका कितना आएगा आंसर? 3.16. So it is what now? Approximate value. Okay, this is called as approximate value. Why approximate? Because we are finding a non-perfect value. This is a non-perfect square. Whenever you find a non-perfect square ka square root, you always get a approximate value. This is not an ending value. This will be a again recurring value. So this is a approximately a 3.19. So what is the rule? If they give any number here, just find a square value near to that. Suppose they give a 12. 12 will be again near to a 9. Take a 9. 9 का square root क्या आएगा? 3 आएगा. Then take a 10 minus 9. That is where difference will be 1. Then what will be the square root of nearest value? 3. And subtract, multiply that with the 2. You will get a answer as 3 plus that's 6. And you will get a 0.6 and add to a that 3.16. Now this is the condition when now 10 is more than 9. Okay, 10 is what? More than 9. For that reason I have added here 10 is more than 9 because 3 square plus whatever value. If if the given value is smaller than that. Okay, अगर अभी देखो इधर मैं 8 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूँ. If I am finding a square root of 8, okay, 8 is lies between again near to 9 only, but 8 is smaller than 9. For that reason, same procedure here. What you have to do? You have to do the minus. Same procedure. Instead of adding 3 plus, you have to do a 3 minus, because your given value is less than nearest value. Okay, then you have to do a minus. So if it is a more than that, then it is a plus value. Okay, and that is a one condition. And one more condition is if a by 2b is okay, if a by 2b is 0.5, okay, a may be whatever the value and b is a whatever value, उसका आंसर 0.5 आया तो आपको क्या करना है, whatever is the given value, suppose now it is a 3, you got 3 plus a by 2b and this is what 0.5, so आपका आंसर क्या आता है 3.05. so in that you have to subtract 0.02. If you are getting a by 2b value is 0.5, then subtract a 0.02 in that. So I'll take one example. Just remember the condition. And similarly, if your a by 2b is 0.3, if your a by 2b is 0.3, then subtract 0.01 in that. Okay, subtract 0.01 in the whatever result you have got. So these are the conditions. I'll take one more example, you'll get clear. So I'll take a next example as root 30. Okay, what will be the square root of 30? Okay, so just see the square value. This is a square value. Just check a square value which is nearest to the 30. Okay, which is nearest to the 30. If you check all this in the table, 30 is near to the 25 and 49 is more than that. So 30 is nearest to the 25. So take a 25. So 30 is near to 25. So 25 is what? 25 square root is what? 5. Okay, so take this as a b. And what is a 30 minus 25? That is the again 5. Take this as a a. Then what is the rule now? This is the 5. So b plus a by 2b. So here b is what? 5. And a is what now? Difference value. That is a 5. And divided by 2 into 5. So here 5 plus 5 by 10. Okay. Again here 5 plus 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 is what? 0.5. So here आपको कितना मिला अभी? 1 by 2 you got a 0.5. So what was the condition? If your a by 2b is 0.5, you have to subtract 0.02. Okay. So अभी 0.05 है ना, इसमें 0.02 को subtract करो. So if you do the 0.02 subtract, you will get a 0.48. So your answer will be what now? 5.48. Your answer is what now? 5.48. So how you got 5.48 again? Here is a 5 and here is a 0.5. So I got a 0.5. Because of that, I have to do the minus 0.02 in that. So 5 plus 0.48, you'll get a 5.48. So this is the square root of root 30. Okay. Root 32. Find me this. See here. How to do 32? Just check 32 is nearest value of 36. 36 के नियर है, ओके 36 के नियर है, but what is that is less than 36. Keep in mind this is less than 36. In previous example, when I took the example of 30, it was 30 was more than 25. For that I have added with 5 plus, but here it is a 32 which is more than, sorry, this is root 32 is what now, which is less than 36. It is not more than 36. So if it is less than 36, क्या करना है? So 36 का square value क्या है? Square root 6 है. So 6 minus a by 2b करना है. 6 minus a by 2b. This is also b only. Don't get confused. 6 minus a by 2b. So a is what now? 36 minus 32. A is what? 4. Okay. So I'll keep like this. A equal to 4 by 2 into what is a b? 6. So here 6 minus 4 by 12. Again you got 6 minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now you got how much? 6 minus 0.33. And what condition I told? If you get 0.3, you have to subtract 0.01. So what you have to do here? 0.033 is there. If you subtract 0.1, you will get a 0.32. So your value will be a 6 minus 0.32. So what is a 6 minus 0.32? Is a 5.66. Is a 5.66. Or else you can do like this. Now क्या है? 6 minus 0.33. So what is a 6? Is a 0.33. So we'll get here 7 and 6 and 5. So इसमें क्या करना है? 0, 1 को subtract करना है. So कितना आएगा? 5.66 is my answer. 5.66 is my answer. Okay, समझ में आया? Of 50. This is also a non-perfect square. So tell me the square root of 50 now. 07 is the answer. So how? So here 50 is what? Nearest to the 47. Okay. So near to the 47. Near to the 47 means what is the square root of 47? 7. So my 7 is a 1 value. What is the 50 minus 47? 49. 1. So here 1 divided by 2 into 7. So we'll get here 7 plus 1 by 14. So 1 by 14 is a what? 0. So we'll get a 0.07. So your answer will be a 7.07 is the answer. Okay. Take a one more example. The last example in this concept. Square root of 70. Square root of 70. Square root of 3 digits. Square root of 3 digits. Okay. To find the square root of 3 digits, you should remember 1 to 10 values. I'll tell how we are using those values. So here, this is also quite simple method. So what I'll do, I'll start with a simple example. So here, you should remember again what I said in the previous thing. Unit value you should know. If your square value is 1, that square root should be between 1 and 9. If square value is 4, the square root should be between 2 and 8. And if square value is of 5, the square root should be again 5. So here I'll take an example. Find me the square root of 144. Okay, because I don't know now. After 10, I don't know. So I have to find with some method what will be the square root of 144. So what is the first method? So first what you have to do, check this 4. Whether this 4 is, what is the, check the unit value. So here unit value of the given question is 4. So 4 means your answer, whatever square root you are getting, that square root unit digit should be what? Either 2 or either 8. Like the answer of this will be a 2-digit value. Okay, 2 digit में लास्ट डिजिट में क्या रहना चाहिए? Either 2 रहना है, नहीं तो either 8 रहना है. Either 2 or either 8. Then now question comes, how to find the second digit? This is the first, this is the last digit, and this is the first digit. How to find a value for a first digit? So for that, what you have to do? Again, don't take both the values. Don't take a 14 as a value. Just consider only a first digit. Consider a value of first digit. What is the first digit here? 1. Okay, 1 is a first digit. So what is a 1? First digit. So here, if you take a 1 square, that is a 1 only. Okay, now what is a see the first digit. First digit is 1, and in the table, that is what the first digit is. Again, you have directly answer that is near to a 1 only. Okay, that should not be a never to a 4, 9, 16 or what. So 1 is what? Near to a 1 only. So consider that 1, then consider that 1 here, then increase this 1 to a plus 1, then it will become 2. So multiply that 2. Okay, so multiply that 2, so you will get an answer as 2. So you will get an answer as 2. Now what you have to do, compare this 2. Okay, compare this result with this and with this value. ओके, अगर दो सेम है या बड़ा है, अगर दो छोटा है या सेम है. Okay, there is a 2 conditions. Now here this 2 is same as this 2. Okay, whatever answer you got here, that 2 is equal to that 2. So you have to consider this as a value. So your answer should be what here? Consider this one and consider this 2. So here, which one has to consider? Whatever is the near to the square value. Abhi, a first digit is near to the what? Near or equal to a 1 only. Consider that first digit. And how to find out unit digit? ए 2 है क्या 8 है? उसके लिए क्या करना है? फर्स्ट डिजिट इज नियर टू 1, उसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या था? 1 था. उसको एक वैल्यू इंक्रीज करो. इफ आई इंक्रीज वन वैल्यू ऑफ 1, so that is a 2. Multiply with that, you'll get an answer 2. So if you got whatever answer, is it same as 2? Then consider 2. Is it near to a 8? Then consider near to 8. Is it near to a 1? Instead of 2, if it is a 1, consider this as a 2. Or if it is same as 2, consider unit digit as a 2. So here you'll get an answer as 12 here. So what I'll do, I'll take a one more example. You'll get clear idea. Okay, I'll just rub this. Now I'll take a one more example. I take a this here 4. So 4 is near to a what square value? 4 is near to a 4 only. That is 2 square. That is a 4 only. Okay, that's a 4 only. So what will be your first digit? First digit is 2. First digit is 2. And I don't know whether it is a 21 or a 29. So now I have to verify whether 21 आएगा क्या 29 आएगा. So what you have to do? Take this first digit, that is a 2, and increase by one value. So इसको increase करो. Increase by value is 3. So what you got answer? The 6. 6 you got an answer. Now 6 is okay. 6 is what now? It is more than 4. So 6 is more than 4. Okay, 6 is more than 4 means you have to take a smaller value. Take a smaller value. Take a smaller value. Okay, 6 क्या है? 4 से भी ज़्यादा है. Then you have to consider 1. And if you got like this, like a 3, if your answer is like, अगर ये सर 6 के बदले में आपको 3 आया, so if your 3 is, okay, अगर 3 क्या होता है, then if 3 is smaller than first digit, अगर 3 first digit से small हुआ तो you should go for 9. But here is what now, your 6 is bigger than 4, इसलिए अब क्या जाना है, small value के साथ. So your answer will be, I know already a first digit is 2 and I should have to confirm now. So we'll get here 1 as a answer. You should get a 1 as a answer. Now you people try this one. 676. Give me the answer. 676. 529. Square root of 529. 23 is the answer. So how we solve quickly? So this is a either unit digit will be a 3 or a 7. So first digit is what? 5 is nearest to the 4. So 4 is what? Square value of 2. So your 2 is a first digit. So my answer may be a 23 or a 27. Okay. So how to do? I know the digit 2. I got a 2 value. 2 into 3 is what? 6. Okay. 2 into 3 is a 6. So here the 6 is more than 5. So 6 is more than 5. So I'll go with a smaller number. Smaller number क्या है? 3 है. So my answer is 23. So like that, what you have to do? Take a few more examples and try it. Then only this concept will go in your mind with the perfectly. Okay. Now we'll see the square root of 4 digit. So what is the example? I'll take an example of 4624. Okay. The example is 4624. Again, apply the same rule. Just check last digit. Here it is a 4 means your answer should contain either 2 or a 8. Your answer should contain either 2 or a 8. Okay. Now either 2 or a 8 आपका answer रहना चाहिए. So in the previous here in the 676 find out करते time हमने क्या लिया था? This digit and this digit. We have taken only one digit. Now what we have to do? We have to take a 2 digits. Instead of 1, consider this full digit. Okay. Consider that full digit. So now check. This 46 is a square value. So what is the nearest square value in this table? 46 के nearest कौन सा square value आएगा? So 46 के near you will get a square value as either 36 or a 49. किसके बीच में आएगा वो? 36 and 49 के बीच में आएगा. Okay, it should be a between 36 and 49. So in this case, always take a smaller value. Okay. अगर अभी देखो मेरा 46 इन दोनों में है, so 46 is lies between 36 and 49. So always consider smaller value. Smaller value को consider करो. Okay. Consider a smaller value. Now it is a 36. What is the square root of 36? So what is the square root of 30? That is a 6. That is a 6. So now your 6 will be a first digit. Now your 6 will be a first digit. So your answer will be a 62 or 68. So your answer will be a 62 or a 68. So how to find now whether it is a 68 or 62? So what you have to do? Take this 6. हमने अभी पता लगाया कि which will be the first digit? 6. So take again same method. Take a first digit, increase by one number and multiply. 6 into 7, it is a 42. So now 42 is now what? This is smaller than 46. So what is 46? this number. So your 42 is smaller than 46. Then what you have to do? Take a larger number. Take a larger number. So what is the larger number? Because your 42 is smaller. This multiplier is smaller. Take a larger number, that is a 8. So your answer will be a 68. Your answer will be a 68. Okay. So same method. Only you have to consider 2 digit. Again follow the same table. 2 digit के कौन से टेबल पे लाइज होता है वो फाइंड आउट करो. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर टेको कंसीडर करो, बिगेस्ट नहीं कंसीडर करना है. सो इट इज लाइज इन द 36. उसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या है 6. सो दैट विल बी अ फर्स्ट डिजिट. एंड हाउ टू फाइंड वेदर 2 or 8. सो just 6 into 7 is a 42. If 42 is smaller than 46, then take a highest number. If your 46 and 46, if you got a same number, again also take a highest number. But if your 46 is bigger than this multiply value, then go to the smaller value. Okay. Now your 42 is smaller than 46, take a higher value, that is a 68. Okay. Now we'll take one more example. You people try, because it's same as 3 digit number method. So I'll give an example of 79. You people tell 7921. Tell me the answer of this. 7921. Last digit lies between 1 and 9. So 199. Next 79 is near to a 64 and 81. So take a smaller one, 64. 64 का square root कितना है 8. So 8 will be a first digit. So now I'll come to the point. My answer should be either 81 or a 89. Okay. Now I have to confirm whether it is 100% 89 or 81. So for that, what I'll do, I'll take this, whatever I got a number. So I got a 8. So I'll take 8. Then I'll multiply with a one step more. I'll multiply with a 9. So I'll get a 72 as a answer. Now again 79 is more than 72. This 79. So again 79 is more than 72. So take a large number. So large number will be what? 9. So your answer will be a 89. So your answer will be a 89. Okay. So now take a one more example. Square root of 1296. इसका find out करो. Just check. 1296 is the 6 is the last digit. So your answer should be either 6 means that will be a 6 and 4 and 6. It should be lies between 4 and 6. Okay. 4 and 6 पे आएगा. Then how to find? Consider the first 2 digit. 12. 12 is nearest to the lies between 9 and 13. 9 and 16 के बीच में आता है. So take a small number. 3. So 12 is nearest to a 3. 3 का square root क्या है? 9 का square root क्या है? 3. So 3 will be your first digit. So what will be the answer? Either 34 or a 36. So take this again 3. Multiply with a 4, you'll get a 12. Okay. So you'll get a 12. So what you have to do again? 12 is same as that given 12. This 12 and multiply, both are same. So go to a higher number. Highest number, that is a 6. So answer is 36. Okay. Now try last one. 5184. 5184. 5184. So whenever we do a square root of 5 digits, so you have to remember one more table. So square root of 2 digits, square root of 3 digit, and square root of 4 digit, you should know the square value 1 to 10. But square root of 5 digit and square root of 6 and square root of 7, you should remember the table of this one. You should remember the square values of 11 to a 20. So there's a 144, and 13 square is 169, and 14 square is 1 96, 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256, 17 square is 289, and 18 square is 324, and 19 square is 361. Okay, 361, and 20 square is 400. So if you are finding a square root of 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, so you should remember the table of 11 to 20. Okay, you should remember the table of 11 to 20. Then it will become easier you people to solve the question. So what I'll do, again same method. So in previous what we did, see here, in the 2 digit we have taken first number. Okay, in the 4 digit we have taken starting two number. Now in the 5th digit 45784, take a starting 3 digit, because this 3 will lies between up to a 20. Okay, that 3 will lies between up to a 20 and up to a 300, up to a 30 it lies, but at least remember up to a 20. Okay, at least remember up to a 20. Now we'll take one example. We'll take one example you will be able to solve, or else you people can try. If I give an example, 294241 is a 5 digit number. Okay, 29241. Now here what? So 1 is as usual, 1 is unit digit. So your answer should be a either it is a 1 or a 9. So आपका कितना आना चाहिए लास्ट डिजिट में? 1 आना चाहिए, नहीं तो 9 आना चाहिए. Okay, then consider 292. So 292 is near to a what? So 292 is near to 292 is, if you take 17 and 18. Okay, if you take 17 and 18, so 292 is lies between 17 and 18. Okay, उन दोनों में से 17 and 18 पे रहता है. So you have to take 17. Take a small number. Take a small number 17. Okay, take a small number 17. So this is what your, so your 17 will be your first digit. So 17 will be your first digit. So here you will get a either 17 or, so your answer may be either 171 or a 179. So your answer may be 171 or a 179. So I have to check now. So for that what I have to do, I have a 17, take a 17 into 18, take a 17 and 18. So your answer comes as, so this is the one way. I will tell another way also. The first method, the 17 into 18 का आंसर कितना आएगा? 306 आएगा. Okay, so just check, your 306 is smaller than given value. No, it is greater than 292, greater than first value. Okay, it is greater than first value. So go with a small number. Go with a small number. So your answer comes as 171. So अगर आपको ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा तो क्या करना है? Don't do this step. Okay, don't do this step. What you have to do now, I already know the value 171 and 179. Okay, I know the value 171 and 179. Okay, so here just check, 179 is more near to the 289 or 179 is more near to the 289, or 171 is more near to the 281 or a 179 is more near to the 289. So if you compare 179 and 289 and 171 and 289 and 179 and 289, अगर इन दोनों पेयर कंपेयर किया तो this 171 is more near to the 289. Okay, and this 179 is 8 number small, थोड़ा नीचे आएगा 281 को. So if you by looking at 171 is more near to the 289, then go with this answer without doing that 17 into 18 step. So if you are not getting here sure, just go 17 into 18, you'll get a 306, compare it a 1, compare with a 292. So whatever number comes, select that. So if you feel this is a bigger step, just take 179 and 171, compare with the 289. So if you see the 291, 171 is more near to that. So take a answer as 171. So you people decide which one you feel easy. You can square root of 27225. 27225.
$165.
Yes, correct. 165 to do here. The 5. The last digit should come 5 only. There is no two choice. Okay. So last digit should come as a 5. So 270 is near to a what number? 270 is near to the
256.
256. Okay. So 256 का square root क्या है? 16 है. So just add a
16.
number. So easy if it is a ending with a 5. Okay. So take a one more example. So I'll take a 6-digit number 2929816. Okay, how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. Okay, 29986. So here again check this last digit. That is a 6. Okay, keep in mind we are doing a 6-digit square root. So last digit is 6 means आपका square root का value का last digit भी either it should be a 4 or either it should be a 6. Then another step is whenever they ask a square root of 6 digit, okay, if you do the pairing of 2, you'll get a 3 pairs. So your answer is also in a 3 pair. Either it is a 4 or either it is a 6. Okay, either it is a 4 or either it is a 6 in a 3-digit answer. Whenever it is a 6-digit square root, you'll get an answer in 3 digits. Okay, now we got either it is a 4 or 6. Next हमको क्या करना है? Check the first pair. Okay, first pair क्या है? The first pair is what? The first pair is 29. Okay, so now check in the normal square 1 to 10 पे 1 to 10 पे ये 25 किधर लाई होता है? So here it is be a 5 square पे. Okay, so the first pair is 29. It is near to a 25. Okay, तो first pair को compare करो perfect square के साथ, check करो कहाँ lies होता है. So it will be lies at 25, which is near to a 25. So what is the square root of 25 now? Square root of 25 will be a 5. So now this 5 will be a first digit. So this 5 will be a first digit. So I came to know the first digit will be a 5. So now I came to know first digit and the last digit. First and last digit. Now I have to find out a second digit. So first, another thing, the second step is, what is the difference between 29 and 24? Sorry, 29 and 25? That is a 4. Okay, that is a 4. And take this 4, okay, take this 4 and combine with the second. So what is the second one is 481. Yes, the second one is a 81. So take that 4 combined with the 81. How much it became? 481. Now what you have to do in the third step? You have to do a division method or a you have to do a division type of method. So what it is? Take a 481. Okay, take a 481. Check with what number it divides. Check with what number it divides. Now already I have a first digit, that is a 5. So make a double of that 5. So if you make a double of that 5, it is a 10. So consider 10 here. Okay, now अभी मेरे पास क्या है 10 है. So I need one more digit So if I take one more digit, it will be divisible. So what I'll take a 4 as a one more digit, because here's the starting number is 4. I'll take a 4 and I multiply this with a one more 4. So if I multiply 4 with a one more 4, that is a 408. So here it will get divisible with a some remainder. That is not a problem. So what number I took here? 4 I took to divide a 41. So here my number will come in between 4. So what number I got now? Between 4 I got. Now another test. I'm not sure with a 544 or a 546. For that, what I have to do? I have to go with the fourth step, digital sum. Digital sum. What is the digital sum? Consider these all numbers. 2 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 plus 1 plus 6. If I add these all numbers, okay, how much I'll get? I'll get 27. And if I make separate 2 plus 7, this is a 9. Okay, for a given question, I got a digital sum as 9. Now I'll take this one, 544. So if I do a 544, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 can be done as 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Okay, then what you do the multiply again 4 with the same 4. You will get a 16. So 16 can be done as 1 plus 7 is a 7. So this 7 is not matched with a 9. So this is not your answer. Okay, then what you have to do? Take a 546. So I'll add a 546. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, so 15 can be done as 1 plus 5, that is a 6. So 6 into 6 is 36. And 36 is 3 plus 6 is 9. So this 9 is same as this 9. So my answer is what? My answer is 546. So my answer is what now? 546. Okay, I'll take a root. The 1 1 1 3 5 6 9. I'll make a group. 2 2 group ho gaya. Okay, my answer should be a 3 digits. Then what is the last digit here? 9. So my answer's last digit will be a either 3 आएगा नहीं तो 7 आएगा. Okay, so my first, this is a thing, or so my answer either 3 or a 7. Now this is a 11. Okay, 11 nearest square. 11 के nearest square क्या है? 11 के nearest square is now 9. So 9 के square root क्या आता है? 3. So here 3 is my first digit. 3 is a first digit. So I got a first digit 3, and here is a 3. So I got a first digit 3. Now I have to find a middle digit. So what I do now? So I'll take a difference now. What is 11 minus 9? 2 is a difference. Okay, 11 minus 9 is 2 is a difference. Now this 2 I'll make a pair with second number. So that will become 235. 235 कैसे आ गया? इधर एक 35 है. I'll combine that 2 with a 35. So I got a 235. Now what is the first digit? 3. I'll add that. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now what I'll do? I'll take a 6 here and I'll take a 235 and I'll find a number in such a way that my 235 should get divided. If it gets a remainder, no problem. So 235 के nearest 6 के साथ कैसे होता है? If I take a 63, okay, 63 as a number, and if I multiply 63 with a 3, okay, if I multiply 63 with a 3, I'll get an answer 9 and 18, 189, which is smaller than 235. Okay, so 189. So I got a number 3. So my answer will be either 333 or a 337. 333 or a 337. Now what I'll do, fourth step, digital sum. Digital sum करना है. So 1 plus 1, 2, 5, 10, 16, 25. So 25. So 2 plus 5 will be a 7. ये मेरा कितना आ गया? 7 आ गया. Now I'll take a first expected answer, 333. So 3 plus 3 is a 6. 6 plus 3 is a 9. So I got a how much? 9 is a one number. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll multiply that 9. 9 into a same 9. Okay. I got a 81. So 81 is what? 8 plus 1. So I got a answer 9. So this is not same as 7. Okay. So I'll take a next one. 3 plus 3, 9, 6 plus 7 is a how much? 13. 13 is what? 1 plus 3 is a 4. So I'll multiply here. 4 into 4 is what? 16. 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is same as the given question digital sum. So my answer is 337. 337 is my answer. Okay. In this way, we can find out a square root of digits 6. 6 digit के square root हम find out कर सकते हैं. Okay.